It's April 25th here at Mississippi River Valley Vineyard, and looks like my Concord starts are starting to do pretty good. I'll turn this around here so you can see them better. These are Concord starts. They've been in the dark. I water them with rainwater, and I've got about 240 of them. I'm volunteering. We're putting these in the Nauvoo State Park, Nauvoo, Illinois, bring that vineyard back to life. It's the oldest vineyard in the state of Illinois. Here's some more. They don't quite have any buds breaking on them yet, so I'm leaving them in the dark on heating pads. That's where the others have been also, trying to grow roots. Hopefully these have some roots started. These leaves may turn green and then they all die if they don't have roots. I don't know, we'll see. But once they start popping, you might as well go ahead and set them in the sunlight and let those leaves work, producing some carbohydrates to help them grow. So there's about 240 of them. It'll probably take all of them for the park this year. We'll see.